Y'all, Mary is urgent. She's super sweet. She likes to nibbles and give kisses. You want pets? Oh, she's urgent, you guys. She needs out. This is Mary. 11 months old. She's a puppy. I know, mamas, I know. Y'all, this is Mary. She's only 11 months old. She's a lab mix. Look at her. Oh my heart, little mamas. She's urgent over here at Moreno Valley. She's just a puppy. She really, really needs a foster or adopter ASAP. Oh, little mamas. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, you do? Yeah. Let's look at her. I know, little mamas. I know. One loves, huh? One loves, huh? Yes. She's such a sweetie and she's only a puppy. Come here. That's a good girl, Mary. That's a good, where'd you go? Where'd you go? There you are. There you are. There you are. Look at that pretty girl. Whoa. Whoa, look at you. You're a pretty girl. Where'd you go? Hopping up on your feeties, huh? Hopping up. That's a good baby. Yeah, that's a good baby. Yeah, sweet girl, huh? Sweet, sweet girl. Sweet, sweet girl. Sweet, sweet